In this video, I'm going to show you the best way that I found to be able to hang this acoustical foam is that you see behind me. Now we use this type foam to try to remove the reverb and the echo from rooms as the sound comes into it and bounces in different directions. So you don't get that reverby, echoey sound that you may hear when you go into an empty home or empty room and just start talking and everything echoes back. I do have it behind me here on a wall to catch those deflections there. And also I have it on the wall in front of me and on the sides of me here in my studio. And I was trying to find the best way to hang those, which I found the most cost-effective way that does the less damage to your walls is to use these T-pins. And you can find these at Walmart or Amazon, links in the description below. They're just little bitty pins, as they say, T-pins. And what I done is I took the acoustical panel and made a design on the wall, took the T-pin and nailed it into the wall using the hammer. I did order these from a company called the Foam Factory and got a real good deal on those. I did have some that were recommended from Amazon, but as I got to looking around some more, I found out they had the best deal. And so I took two colors, which one of my favorite colors, blue, and then the black ones, the charcoal as they call them, and took those and ordered 48 of each to get a total of 96 of these foam panels to be able to treat my room that I'm using as my studio in my home to do my YouTube videos and to do my church stuff from. And so I took these in order from the Foam Factory, placed them up on the wall, and has made a tremendous difference in the room when it comes to doing my recording. And so I trust that you will look in the description below and you will see the link to the Foam Factory down there. A lot of these things can be found also on Amazon, but I've learned that you need to shop around because Amazon sometimes don't have the best deal on everything. So I trust and encourage you will look around and shop around. These work great for me. These are 2-inch foam panels that I've ordered. I got, as I said, the charcoal ones here. They seem to have a little glittery shine to them as well. And they are 2 inches thick, and we measure them this way. I would suggest if you do get them, at least get the 2-inch thick ones. Don't go with the 1-inch. That would be basically almost useless. And I really like the blue ones here. And you see I've just took a level. I took a tape measure, measured this place off on my back wall, leveled it up, used those T-pins, and they just make a little small pinhole about the size of a tack. And so I do realize I've seen online that there are some that say use the Loctite spray adhesive on the wall, but I didn't want to damage my drywall. And then I've seen too, you could take poster board and command strips, and I've seen all those ideas, but this one was a little bit different. I did see people that suggest the T-pins, and I found for me, instead of taking the command strips, which I don't think is a good idea if you're limited in some way, but what I decided to do was to go ahead and go with the T-pins. If I decide to pull them out, it would just leave the hole the size of a tack that could easily be covered and repaired easily. And I know we're all in different situations, whether you're renting, you're in an apartment, whether you are buying, and the fact that you are concerned over damaging the walls. This worked great for me, and so I trust it works for you. And this has tremendously diminished the reverb and echo in this room, and it is a sound deflector, and so that you don't have the noises as you speak into the foam on the wall. It is deflecting that, and you can tell it's making quite the difference there. So if you decide to go with a home studio, I would suggest getting some foam panels, and you could place these on these foam squares and place them on the wall in a studio to get a better sound in the room. So trust that helps you. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a like. And if you'd like to see future related content, would you please consider subscribing? And we'll see you in the next one.